One can have no smaller or greater mastery than the mastery of oneself. Leonardo da Vinci. My friends, the way you master yourself as far as stock charting goes is each and every day, 10 to 15 minutes, day in, day out, learning the nuances of your favorite stocks, ETFs, whatever it may be. This is a down day. I'm doing the show a little early today. Got some medical appointments need to go to at the end of the day. Don't want to miss those. But here's where we are as we're well within the last hour of trading. Everything is down. S&P 500 down 0.62% for the day. It's about time to have a pullback. Hell, things have been going up since the 20th of May. So a little bit of a pullback today, 0.62%. Not bad. Still higher high for the week. Again, volume is nothing to write home about. Weak volume on the two-day chart, first day of the latest two-day candle, and you can see almost average volume in the morning and falling off in the afternoon. Some time left, but unless something really rallies, don't expect much. But we are still long the S&P. Little pullback for the day ain't going to kill us. What do we see going on the NASDAQ? It's hardly down at all, 0.26% right now. And of course, it has been rocketing up since the 21st. Well, actually, just like the S&P 500, the 20th in the morning and afternoon. And then we see where things have just continued to spike. Not a lot of volume to write home about. Had some in the morning, but then falling off in the afternoon. And we are still long the NASDAQ 100, and it has been doing us quite righteous. Now we look at TLT, 20-year U.S. government bonds, like everything else. They're down a little bit for the day, 0.41%, still above the weekly trend line on the two-day and the half-day. We'll see how the week continues to move. We do have a higher high for the week. Not much of a candle to write home about, but we are long on bonds. What do we see going on with gold? Pulling back 0.85%. And again, we've seen gold move down, gold move up, gold move down. Over the last few weeks, it's been moving down, but it has kept bouncing off the floor that we've put in here. And again, it popped up yesterday, moved down today. We'll see just where gold goes. If it clears this floor and just starts hammering down, then of course we'll know which way it's going. If it bounces off strong, then of course we'll look to ride it up. Don't have a trade in gold right now. What do we see going on with HODL? Pulling back another 2% for the day. I mean, again, this inverse trade has been wonderful. Remember, the inverse fund for you to practice trade is BITI. That's just one, but we like this one, managed by ProShares. And you can see right now, look how liquid this thing is. For an inverse fund, 2613, 2614. The sell and the buy, the bid, the ask. Is that not fabulous? It's about as liquid as $1. And again, easy to get in, easy to get out. And it has been rocketing up, as of course Bitcoin has been rocketing down. So a little bit of extra things you can do when you learn how to trade puts and calls. Of course, in the options market, you can also do the same thing going short as with a put in an inverse fund. Now, they're different. I put that training out yesterday for you. Want you to practice trade these things to learn by doing. See if you like them. Sometimes people do, sometimes they don't. You can magnify your losses. You don't know what you're doing. You also have higher fees. But again, when the market's pulling back strong like Bitcoin's been doing, it is just another arrow in your quiver. Always love to hear from you, my friends. Patreon members, thank you so much for all your support, for underwriting the cost of the channel. Of course, if you become a Patreon member, first thing you get, if you're interested in options, is our 3-part option series, Options Made Simple, the Charting Wealth Way. Great training. In addition to that, you get my latest book, 3-Wave Trading Advantage. All of that comes right away. And then, of course, every day you get early access to the Trade Execution Summary Grid and the 5-day plus analysis where we break things down for you. You want to see what that looks like beforehand? You can go to the Patreon page and see the older stuff. It's basically a day behind. We also put the Trade Execution Summary Grid in the notes every day for our Charting Wealth subscribers. And that is, of course, for free at Charting Wealth. Just sign up. That list is never spammed, never shared. God bless my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.